Everyone. In this screen recording, I will guide you through the process of voting for the school election. Let's get started. Open your web browser and navigate to the school's election voting Google form. On the first page of the form, you will see a question asking you to select your class. Click on the drop-down menu next to the question and choose your class from the options provided. Once you have selected your class, click on Next button to proceed to the next page. After clicking Next, the ballot paper will open on the screen. Take a moment to carefully review the candidates and their respective positions. To vote for boys' candidate, locate their name next to their ballot box and click to the corresponding checkbox to indicate your choice. Similarly, scroll down to find the Girls' Candidates section and select your preferred candidate by clicking on the checkbox. If you change your mind or wish to modify your selection, simply click on the checkbox again to deselect the candidate. Once you have made your selections, double check to ensure you have chosen one boy and one girl candidate. After reviewing your choices, click on the Submit button at the bottom of the form to cast your vote. And there you have it. You have successfully voted for the school election. Your vote will be counted towards determining the winning candidates. Thank you for participating and exercising your right to vote. Remember, every vote matters. Happy voting.